about that again. My phone's being an ass. So yeah, it's possibly the last amount of fireworks. I don't know, maybe. Ah, fireworks. Gotta love them. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. Oh, damn. Should probably keep the phone up. Oh, wow, 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 damn. Holy shnikey. Move over here. Damn. See ya. And oh, oh. Gotta love that booming. Ooh. Damn. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, now this is cool. I have got to admit, this is cool. Again, if my phone cuts out again, I'm sorry. Oh! Damn! Oh, next one. Oh, damn, that's big. Another one. Nice. Make sure to give all these videos a thumbs up and a like, and comment what you think of these fireworks. Subscribe for more videos. And yeah. I might say this at the end, but yeah, just in case I don't get to. Just yeah, just throwing that out there. Just in case I don't get to. Just in case I don't get to. So yeah. This is the good stuff. Oh, damn. Yep. The insanely loud as hell, ear-piercing, whisperer ones. The howlers. Nice. Oh, damn. The big boys, they're sending up the big boys. Oh, damn. Sonic screwdriver! Oh, damn. Nice. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. What's this one? Oh, nice. Nice. Damn. Oh, boy. Oh, oh, oh. It's like they're firing off a gun or something. It's excellent. Oh, oh. 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 Oh, damn, damn. Okay. Oh, damn. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, damn. Damn, son. Look at all this. Okay. That was the fireworks for 2018 Strathalbyn pageant thingy. Strathalbyn. This is your boy During Realm Productions signing off. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for more videos.
Fire.
And also subscribe to my little sister Mia. And yeah, this is it. Stay cheeky breaky, my friends. Palm in your face.